woke up to this morning, and today is April 21st. It's a winter wonderland in April. Cotton candy. Yummy. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight. We're having these sloppy joes from, I think this is Clubhouse. My hubby picked this up. It's a seasoning mix. I don't think I've had sloppy joes this way. I usually buy it in the can. But I ground some beef and then followed the directions on this. So you have to let this cook for 10 minutes once you get everything in there. So letting that cook, and then we have some Wonder Bread hot hamburgers so we can put on them, and I also like to put a little bit of a dollop of sour cream. I'll show you when I get it all put together. So here it is. I did put it on a hot dog bun because we had one that was left over. I know it doesn't really look that pretty. I just put some sour cream on it. And also, when I said I usually get it, the Sloppy Joe, I get the Sloppy Joe sauce in a can, not the beef with it. You do that separately. Because this one looks like it's got onions, and I don't like onions, so this should be interesting how this goes. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight. And you could pair this with a nice fresh plate of veggies and dip, or a nice garden salad or Caesar salad, something like that. A couple options for you. Good. Messy. I like messy dinners. Sloppy Joes. Welcome back to What's for Dinner Tonight, my darlings. What you're looking at is a chicken breast, and I put Caesar salad dressing over it with Parmesan cheese and a little bit of oregano, ground pepper, and some salt. And my hubby will have the bigger one, and I made him some mashed potatoes, and I'll put a vegetable with his. And for me, I'm going to have this one here, and I'm cutting it up, and I made a little salad, spinach salad with some blue cheese and some different types of cherry tomatoes there, and I'm going to cut up the chicken and lay it on there, so I will show you. So here is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Caesar chicken salad with spinach instead of romaine, with some cherry tomatoes and blue cheese. Trying to eat a little bit healthier. I know Caesar dressing can be, not the best being so healthy, but I did add a little bit of water to thin out the sauce with the Caesar dressing. And to me, this is more healthy than some of the things I do tend to make that are more heavier. So I'm excited to try this out. So that is what we're having for dinner tonight. Let me know what you're having for dinner at your house. I'd love to hear. And thank you for joining me here at Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Remember to believe in yourself. I believe in you. And you truly will go far. Toodaloo, my darlings. Thanks for watching. Toodaloo! Happy eating!